Good morning, student of class 4th. How are you? I hope all of you are fine. And student, be safe at home. Follow the precautions which your parents are telling you, and keep yourself safe. So student, in my previous video, I am explaining you yesterday video half of the topic revolution of the earth that I explained you. So in today video I will continue the same topic. First, before explaining revolution of the earth around the sun, let do little recapitulation what we have done in previous video. Is it clear? The earth has two movements. One is rotation and due to the rotation of the earth on its own axis, what's happened student? Day and night are also formed, and this spinning movement that the earth rotate on its axis is known as rotation, and what happened due to this rotation? Day and night are formed due to rotation. Okay, after that student, we start discussing revolution of the earth. See, this is our topic. Even yesterday half of the topic I have explained. Revolution of the earth means that all the planets which are in our solar system, what they do? They move around the sun. All the planets move around the sun, and the path, or you can say fixed path, on which the planets move around the sun is known as orbit. Fixed path on which all the planets of the solar system that move around the sun is known as orbit. And another important thing is that student, each planet have their fixed path for taking the round of the sun. See, so student, now for example, this is their sun, and this is the planet Earth, and with this dotted line I show you the path on which the earth is moving around the sun, that we say this fixed path we say orbit. Now student, see what if you let see the position of our earth, then I will explain you what happens due to the revolution of the earth around the sun. See student, for example, this is a picture of your planet earth. Many of you are asking in online classes, what is imaginary line? So student, we have just suppose, हमने ऐसा माना है कि अर्थ की एक इमेजिनरी लाइन है और उसी एक्सिस पे क्या कर रही है, अर्थ स्पिन कर रही है. अर्थ क्या कर रही है, स्पिन कर रही है. इज इट क्लियर स्टूडेंट? नाउ सी स्टूडेंट, if you see the center of the earth, see this center divide the earth into two parts. First of all, understand what this center. Here you see a line. आप सबको दिख रहा होगा कि एक लाइन है जो अर्थ हमारा प्लेनेट है, इसको टू पार्ट्स में डिवाइड कर रही है. कितने पार्ट्स में डिवाइड कर रही है? टू पार्ट्स. दैट इज, एंड दिस लाइन इज नोन एज इक्वेटर. This line is known as equator. Okay, so this equator divides the earth in two parts. Okay, this upper part we known as northern hemisphere. Upper part is known as northern hemisphere and this part is known as southern hemisphere. Okay, upper part is known as northern hemisphere and this below part is known as southern hemisphere. Okay, and this is a line of equator which divide this planet earth into two equal parts, northern hemisphere and southern hemisphere. Up to this it is clear. Now see the next point. Now see student, due to revolution, what's happened? Due to revolution, seasons are formed. Due to revolution, what happens? We have different seasons. Okay, due to revolution of earth. Due to revolution of earth, we have different seasons, like summer, winter, spring, and autumn. We have different season. So these different seasons are formed due to revolution of earth around the sun. Now student, we know that summer season they are very hot. Okay, summers are very hot season of the year. Winter at this time, what type of air? This time is cold. So here day becomes small and night becomes large. Is it clear? So these are the, and one more season, that is monsoon. Is it clear? There is one more season, that is monsoon, rainy season. ठीक है, तो जस्ट ये समझ लो कि रिवॉल्यूशन ऑफ अर्थ से, अर्थ के रिवॉल्यूशन से, रिवॉल्यूशन ऑफ अर्थ, व्हाट हैपन, वी हैव डिफरेंट सीजन्स. Is it clear? Now see student, those, and do you know, just now I explained you, this is a picture of a earth. This is a center line, this is known as equator. This part is known as northern hemisphere, this is known as southern hemisphere. So our country India, we lie in, हम किस हेमिस्फीयर में है? नॉर्दर्न में है कि साउदर्न में है? हम बेटा नॉर्दर्न में. आ रही बात समझ में? हम कहाँ हैं? नॉर्दर्न हेमिस्फीयर में. ठीक है, इंडिया हमारी कंट्री जो है दैट इज इन नॉर्दर्न हेमिस्फीयर. ओके, सो स्टूडेंट, due to the taking round of the earth, revolution of the earth, different types of a season we have. And in which hemisphere? India, our country is in northern hemisphere. Is it clear? Now next student, you will observe one more thing. I already explained you that earth is little tilted. Earth is tilted at a angle of 23.5 डिग्री. ओके, हल्की सी टेढ़ी है, जैसे ये ना हल्की सी टेढ़ी है, या आप कह सकते हो सन की ओर जरा सी झुकी हुई है. इज इट क्लियर? सो मैनी ऑफ द स्टूडेंट आस्क व्हाई अर्थ इज टिल्टेड, and due to this position of the earth is tilted at the angle of 23.5 degree. Due to this position of the earth, now I will explain you, there is a lot of difference in the season in both the hemisphere, northern and southern, due to tilted position of the earth. You are understanding what I am saying? Earth is not straight, it is little tilted. So student, I already explained you that earth is divided by a center line that is known as equator, and upper is known as northern hemisphere, this is southern hemisphere. Okay, and due to the tilted position of the earth, due to the tilted position of the earth, at the same time means in the same month, we have different types of season. We have different types of season. Is it clear? Let draw one line. Northern hemisphere and southern hemisphere. See, month is same, but they have different season, and this is the reason why this happens. This happens due to the tilted, जो अर्थ टेढ़ी है ना जरा सी, due to tilted position of the earth at the angle of 23.5. When you will observe, I many times I told you, when you are watching the video, please take a rough copy and pencil with you, and if note down these important things in your rough copy. Maybe this question from this topic can be asked in one word answers. In one word answer, maybe this from this topic question can be asked. So northern hemisphere, southern hemisphere. Now I write the name of the month. June. September, December and March. Is it? Here I also write June, September, December and March. See, now due to this tilted position of the earth, you will get the difference between the both the hemispheres, northern and southern hemisphere. If you want to note down for your knowledge, you can write it. So student, in the month of June, what happened in northern hemisphere? The season is summer. Season is summer. What is the season in the month of June in northern hemisphere? Season is summer. Now you are surprised to know that when I will write here the name of the season, तो आप लोग को बहुत सरप्राइज होगा, क्योंकि अर्थ तो एक ही है ना. उसके बाद भी हम उसको अगर सेंटर से अगर इक्वेटर लाइन मानते हैं कि वो इक्वेटर लाइन उसको दो पार्ट्स में डिवाइड कर रही है. सो ड्यू टू द टिल्टेड पोजीशन, जो जरा सी अर्थ सन की ओर झुकी हुई है, उसकी वजह से देखो दो हेमिस्फीयर हो गए, नॉर्दर्न हेमिस्फीयर और साउदर्न हेमिस्फीयर. मंथ इज सेम बट द सीजन इज चेंज. In the month of June they have summer, they enjoy this portion of the earth is very hot, and all these things, all these are happening. ये सारी चीजें किसकी वजह से हो रही हैं? ड्यू टू सन रेज, ड्यू टू सन रेज, सन की रेस की वजह से हो रही है बेटा ये सारी चीजें. ठीक है. अब यहां पे क्या है? विंटर. You can compare it. June month is summer. Here also the month is same June, but season is winter. Is it clear? Now see September. They have autumn. Okay, and on the southern hemisphere they have spring. They have which season? They have spring. Now see student, in the month of December in northern hemisphere, जहाँ हम लोग रहते हैं, नवंबर के लास्ट डे, फ्रॉम द लास्ट फ्यू डेज ऑफ ए नवंबर, हल्की ठंडी आने लगती है ना. से यस और नो. सो इन द मंथ ऑफ दिसंबर हियर द क्लाइमेट इज winter, and in the December month what you will observe, the climate in southern hemisphere is summer. Is it clear? And the month of March में क्या होता है, जो कोल्ड विंटर सीजन है वो धीरे धीरे जाने लगता है, और कौन सीजन आने लगता है, स्प्रिंग. कौन सीजन आने लगता है, स्प्रिंग सीजन आने लगता है. इज इट क्लियर? सो स्प्रिंग. और यहां मार्च में यहां क्या हो जाता है, ऑटम. So all these due to the tilted position of the earth at an angle of 23.5 degree. See, there is a lot of change in the season in both the hemisphere, that is northern and southern hemisphere. Northern and southern hemisphere. You observe the table. See, lot of difference. This is due to the tilted position of the earth. In the month of June in northern summer, southern winter. In month of September autumn. And what they have, in the month of September southern spring. And in the month of winter, northern hemisphere has winter, and in December they have summer. Is it clear? And in the March, northern spring, and they have autumn season. So note down one word question for you. Note down in your copy, and after watching the video you write the answer for these questions. First question is, earth is tilted at angle of dash. Earth is tilted at the angle of dash. Question number 2. Note down question number 2. What happens due to the revolution of the earth? Note down, what happens due to the revolution of the earth? Okay, so after watching the video, write one more question. Line of center which divide the earth into two hemispheres, northern hemisphere and southern hemisphere. So that line is known as dash. What was the name of that line? Okay, or teacher can ask a question in this manner also. Equator is the line which divide the earth into two hemisphere. What are their names? What are their names? So these are some simple question which it can be asked in the examination from this topic. And one more question, how much time is taken by the earth to complete one round of the sun? How much time is taken by the earth to complete one round of the sun? Is it clear? So you want to write one more question? Note down. Which is the second largest planet of the solar system? Which is the second largest planet of the solar system? Okay, student, I hope revolution of the earth all of you are able to understand. Now see student, in my previous video I have discussed short answer questions. All three short answer questions with you, and after that question number F, give detailed answer to the following question. This question of 1 and 2 we have already discussed. So question number 3 is, how are day and night caused? What is the reason of day and night? So I hope by watching the video, I think all of you are able to give the answer. Why day and night form? So how are day and night caused? So what is the answer student? I discussed this with you. The day or night are caused due to the, yes, what is the answer? Okay, very good. Days and night are caused due to the rotation of the earth. Days and night are caused due to rotation of the earth on its axis. You want to write, you can write this also, rotation of the earth. See, now student, there is one hot question. What would happen if the earth stops rotating on its axis? This answer you don't write in your classwork copy. We have to just discuss. See student, if the earth is not rotating, it means if the earth is not rotating, then what is the position of the earth? Stable. Then the position of the earth is stable. If this happens student, then what happen? The part of the earth which faces the, जो पार्ट सन के आगे होता वहां हमेशा डे रहता. फॉर एग्जाम्पल ये है, ये पार्ट है, ये सन के सामने है. ओके, सो यहाँ what you will observe? All the time here you will observe day, and this portion, dark portion, all the time night. Okay, thank you student.